So
Pardon?
as of now in my database, which version we are using? 19.3.
Yes.
So I can go for 19.3 to 19.9. Is it okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Good. So here I am going to patch. So basically we are upgrading the Oracle Home from 19.3 to 19.9, which is the latest one.
Yeah.
Let me connect to my database, and then you can verify which version we are using. So are you able to see the version?
Yeah.
Currently I am using 19.3 version. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we will upgrade from 19.3 to 19.9. And of course the environment which we are using, Oracle Linux, which is the latest one, 8.2 version. And for that, couple of things we have to keep into mind before going to upgrade. Your OPatch utility should be higher version 12.2, 12.20119. That is the minimum required. That is the pre-request. So let me check my OPatch version first before going to apply the patch. Okay.
Yeah.
And for that, I can go to my OPatch location. Let me exit from here, and I'm going with my OPatch.
It's on Oracle Home. Yeah, Oracle Home OPatch. Yeah.
Yes. And here I'm going to use my OPatch version. So let me check which version I'm using.
But you, okay.
Okay. So my version is the lower than what I'm expecting to upgrade on to 12.9.
So our lowest is 12.2.
0119 we require minimum.
Okay.
That is the minimum required.
Yeah.
So first what I have to do in this case, I have to upgrade to my OPatch.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go for one back. Good. So here is my OPatch. No problem at all. So what I can do, first I need to install the OPatch utility. So let me first modify this to some lower version. So I'm removing this OPatch. Okay.
What are you doing? Okay.
This OPatch version, I'm just
Yeah.
removing from here as a OPatch backup. As a safety, I'm copying this file.
But it will change, but the name you will not copy. No, I think you want to copy or you want to change the name.
I'm just moving, just renaming it.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So now if you can see, I don't have the OPatch.
We don't have OPatch anymore. Yeah.
Instead of that, we have OPatch backup. Here
Yeah.
you can see. Get idea?
Yeah.
Now I need to copy the OPatch version that you need to download from the supportoracle.com. I already downloaded it.
So now the normal OPatch now that meets the requirement, you have downloaded it.
Yes. So which is my IP address? Let me check, and then based on that I can copy. So this is my IP address, and here let me try with that. Just give me 1 minute. So what I'm going to do, here I'm using the, are you able to see the my WinSCP?
Yeah.
So with the help of WinSCP, I am going to, where is the my download folder? So with the help of this WinSCP, I can able to use this one. In the download, if I remember correctly, I have already downloaded it. 19C, 20C, 21C, DM setup. Okay, so what is the my file? Let me try it. This one. Are you able to see?
Oh, yeah.
And here, what is the my OPatch location? So PWD U01 app Oracle product DB home. So let me open directory and bookmark. Let me go here. So this is the my location where I need to move this file.
Yeah.
I just move this file here. The file is copied. I mean just minimizing it because later on I also need it. Can I see now? The file is there.
Yeah.
Now let me unzip this file. So my file is unzipped.
Mhm.
Now let me see. We have the OPatch now.
Where is it? Okay, yeah, it's there.
I selected here.
Yeah.
Can I highlight here?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Yeah, good. So this is my OPatch. Okay. Now let me go to the my OPatch and then let me verify the my OPatch version. I have downloaded the latest one. So let me check the OPatch version. Are you able to see? Minimum
Yeah,
19
it's
is
more than
required.
19.
Yeah, minimum 19 is
Yeah.
required, but I have downloaded the latest one, which is 23.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the my OPatch is update. Let me check what inventory we have.
Yeah.
What are the current patch status? Before going to upgrade, let me check it. So I'm just checking the LS inventory. So you can see the OPatch version now upgraded to this one, and
Yeah.
these many OPatch has applied. So latest one 296014612950, and the upper you can see the last one. So 29 series is only max. Are you able to see?
2-1. Where?
The
Yeah.
229515420.
Yeah.
Or the best part, to instead of moving on to this area, always look into the area called here
So,
database release update.
yeah.
This is the latest one which is applied.
Okay. Which was
29517242.
yeah.
19.3. Getting?
Yeah. So which the one that ends with 42 has been applied now, or we have not yet applied it?
I have not applied yet. Just OPatch we have updated.
Yeah.
Database we have not updated yet. Database is
Yeah.
still we have
So
19.3.
OPatch we have. Yes.
OPatch,
So the
OPatch is
question
a
is,
tool. OPatch is a tool which we will use for the patching.
yes, but OPatch is also used for bug fixes, no?
Yes.
So what the patches the number we are seeing down are the
Yes.
patches number that are in the OPatch that ends with 23.
Yes. So that is the OPatch version. That is the version name of the patch. This is the
Yes,
my database patch. This one.
the current one.
Yeah, 29517242. This is the
Yeah.
latest patch applied. Got the point?
I want to be very clear. So
So this is the patch. This is the
the one,
patch. Are you able to read the patch number?
yes.
This is the last patch applied. This is the database
Now,
version currently we
okay,
have.
that was the last patch that was applied at this. The latest that was applied at the version 19300.
Yes.
Okay, so when it is upgraded, it will be more than the latest patch will be.
Yeah, I am going to upgrade for 19.9,
Okay,
which is the latest one. Am I correct?
yeah. Okay,
Patch,
can you
patch,
scroll that? Okay,
patch number just you can match from here now. This one or match with the latest patch which is applied. Both will be matched. Which was applied onto the April 18.
yeah.
Yes.
I need to understand something.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. The one you were showing before was the one that was ending with 17.
Yeah, that is the OPatch version. Here now you can see the OPatch version has upgraded to 23.
Yeah. Okay, and scroll down.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it is upgraded to 23, but when you see the patch ID, it ends with 93 and there is 99.
Yes. So there is a
Yes.
different patch. That is the unique patch ID. Got it.
Yes.
And after that, they have also applied another patch, na. So that's one. These are the patches that is applied. Last always read from the last,
Yeah.
which is the latest patch is applied.
Okay.
Okay. In short, you can keep focus as of now on to this point, 19.3,
Yeah.
and this patch level.
Okay. I want to ask something. And when we see the bug fixes, where you see that bug fixes, all those patch number that are down that bug fixes.
Yes. See, bug fixes means what? If there is any issue someone has reported, Oracle will publish the patch for that, and that is applied into your database level. Got
Yeah.
it? If it is impacting in your environment, you can use it. If it is not impacting your environment, you can skip it.
Can you still show the command? So what I want to know here is when you are running the OPatch now. Okay, let's continue. Maybe I will have question at the end. I will know.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, no problem. No problem, as you wish. So now I am going to install the patch number, which is the latest one for 19.9. This is 31771877. That you need to download from the Oracle support. And
Which
as you
one?
know, the patch which you want to apply.
The the one you do an SCP.
No, that the one, another SCP I am also going to do now.
Okay.
But that is the OPatch. Don't mix the both the thing. This is
Yeah.
database patch I am going to do.
Yeah.
This is the tool patch we did.
So the OPatch is we have already changed the OPatch.
Yes, OPatch we have changed. Now we are going to change the database upgrade. So database level patch I'm going to apply. And before going to patch, you must be aware that you need to shut down the database which is running. Your listener should be shut down.
So another question I want to ask: when we have just one bug fix, when we run the OPatch, it's gonna, and maybe we have other patches that has already been done. Would there not be a conflict between it running a patch that is already there, or is not a problem?
No, it won't be problem.
Okay. So there is nothing like patch conflict.
No, it won't.
Okay.
Getting the point? Are you getting the point?
Yeah.
Now, let me shut down my listener. So my both has closed. The listener has also, and my database also. Let me check if any other listener is running or not. No, no other listener is running. And then you need to copy the home. Getting my point? Of course, for me, I don't need, but production always make sure you have to copy the safety purpose. You have to check the Oracle home and the inventory, that both you need to copy it.
You copy the Oracle. How you mean by copying the Oracle?
Oracle home just CP do with the, because if any issue will happen,
In about for a backup.
yes, as a backup, if any failure will happen or anything in your
Okay.
case, then how you can do.
Okay.
So now I am copying. Let me show you that. Now I am copying this is my patch.
Yeah.
Got it? If you can see the size, this is a really bigger than the previous one. This is 1.32 GB. And the earlier which I copied, it is just in the some MBs, 116 MB. That was the OPatch, and this is my database patch. Getting my point?
Yeah.
So I need to copy this. And of course, for copying, what I can do here, I'm just copying into the which directory, U01. Is it okay?
No, you can copy it anyway.
So I can, instead of that, I can use the U01 only.
You are showing the.
Yeah,
are you showing the screen? Wait. Yeah.
are you able to see or not?
Yeah, I can see now.
So I'm just copying it. It will take few minutes.
So the purpose of the OPatch is just to meet our version of OPatch to be more than 19.
Yes, because it is mandatory for upgrade to 12.9. 12.9, sorry, 19.9 will not work with the OPatch 17 version. That's why.
So
Otherwise, it was not. Otherwise, it was not required.
yeah. So when we have to do just a specific bug, fix one specific patch.
Yes. So
When
the
we do an
yeah,
inventory,
similar way like the patch number I am downloading 31771877. Similar way Oracle will give you the patch number that you have to download and then you can apply it. Okay, now it's copied onto U01.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go to U01 location /U01. Here is my patch. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
So I'm just unzipping this patch.
So the patch can it can run in any directory. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, doesn't matter. OPatch should be onto your location proper.
Yeah.
because OPatch will be in Oracle home now. The patch can be on any location. Good. So it's downloading, it's unzipping. It will take a couple of minutes to unzip. The file is the bigger size. Now you can see it's unzipped. Are you able
Yeah.
to see?
Yeah, I'm seeing it's finished.
So let me go to this directory.
Yeah.
Always make sure before applying the patch, read this patch file carefully. The
Yeah, yeah.
document, Oracle document, carefully read it.
Is that okay? The XML file.
Yes.
Does it
XML or
have a README also?
yeah, document file is available on Oracle that you can download and read it.
But I mean, you have to. Is this you can read this patch search first, no?
Yes,
.xml.
yes, you can.
Can you just open it? I see what is inside.
The XML file, how you can read it? I will show you because you have asked. So let me go
Yeah.
back and I can show you. But at least I don't understand. Patch search and the Vim operator I'm using. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
This is the database release patch. This is this version, the patch number. They are updating those things. Which family? What are the bugs? What are the issues? Those all history. So these all you can read in the document PDF. You can
Yeah.
download and then you can read it. Understood?
Yeah.
So basically all the history about the patch that is maintaining.
Yeah.
Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to run the patch. Can I run it?
Yeah. Okay. It's just
Just
okay.
OPatch apply.
OPatch apply. Okay.
And it will take,
And we have to run it in that directory. Yeah.
yes, OPatch should be always called into OPatch directory.
It should be called in the
From the,
directory of the patch.
yes, from anywhere you can execute, not a problem.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to proceed? Yes.
So it is asking, do you want to proceed? Of course, definitely. That's why I applied. Is the local system ready for patching? Yes, it is ready for patching. So they will check the space and other thing. Whatever the higher version and those all the thing.
So, but those things to check, like it will check maybe temp file, the sys
Basically they are looking from the 5.5 GB space over there. So that is the main things. Then lower version database should not be 19.0 or less. In our case, 19.3. So patching component they are doing. It will take time. So just wait and watch.
I made X.
Okay.
So when
Okay.
So now each and every concept RDBMS they have patched. Now assistant, build, Java, listener, RDBMS, each component they are patching. Hmm.
So now it's checking whether the, for example, at this level, whether the JDK is the minimum version is 1.8 that or what?
Yeah, that component they are patching.
Okay.
That is a JDK component they are patching now.
Yeah.
So each and every component, if you can, I can scroll it, you can get the idea.
Yeah.
So this each and every component they are patching as per their requirement.
As per the requirement, yeah.
Yes. So patching means just it's a bug fixing or the issue which is reported by someone else, and Oracle has given the solution that one. So what message you got? OPatch
OPatch.
succeed.
Yeah.
So
So
now your
so this
patching has
one now
completed.
is just a patch that we installed,
Yes.
and the patch number ended with 77.
Yeah, 31771877. Yes.
Yes, so that patch updated our database from 19.3 to 19.9.
No, that is done, na. Let me check the LS inventory. Let me check, na.
Okay.
Let me check the LS inventory. Okay, no, we did
So it's like we have to
Oracle
feed it
Home.
to
Yeah, yeah.
Oracle Home, yeah.
Oracle Home. I have not got. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Let me scroll up. OPatch succeed. The version, and then the upper you can see this one. That was the older one, and this is the new one.
The other one ended with 42.
Yeah. Sorry. Are you able to see the result? Which version now you are using?
Yeah, okay.
And the patch level?
Okay, that is the most recent patch now that we
Fix it.
just run. Yeah.
Yeah. This patch was up published onto the 7th October 2020.
Okay.
Okay, let me check the database as well.
So if now I'm trying to understand. So when you want to look the latest patch that was run on your database, you do the LS inventory and you will see it there.
Yes.
Yes.
So basically, when you will reading the document, you will clearly know, okay, from which patch level to which patch can we upgrade it.
Yeah.
So those things. Or alternate way is that you can able to do with the alternate way also. Like here, if I
So
can guide you.
so does it mean all the patch of 19.9 end with 77, no? Normally.
Yes, 97 also, 19.5 also, 19.3 also, depends your use. Because I thought, why not the latest one? The alternate way also we can do use like this way. So there's a different way we can do instead of LS inventory. If you want, like the path you are getting into OPatch, and then over there LS inventory you are putting on this path where it is.
Yeah, just LS. Uh,
And then finally, if you can connect to database, you can also able to check it. Let me go to my database, and I'm connected to database now. How are you able to see the patch level? Which version you are using now?
then you have version. Yeah, that version here is the latest now.
19.9.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have to start your database, do the things, whatever you want. Those all.
So on that particular patch now, all those bug fixes are now okay, have been are now cleared.
Yes.
Okay.
After that, you have to start your database, start the listener, and say to the business that my database has upgraded. Or before that, before saying to the business, you always check from your end. Is everything is working or not? Just check the one as a DBA perspective. Go through another thing like my database has started. Then I can start the listener. These all the some post patch activity. Because you can say to the business, okay, my database is running and listener is down. They won't able to connect it. So
Yeah.
these all the things you have to do manually. You have to check it, and then you can able to do properly. So it's a guidelines you can able to do, and then you can see the success. Now you can able to connect your database. You can do whatever you want. So you can clearly see that my version is 19.9 version, and my database is up and running fine. Sorry, name open underscore mode from v dollar. Oh, I did a mistake. v dollar database. So my database is up and running, and I proudly say to my business, okay, now database upgraded, completed successfully. Those all the things. So this we have done the manually. In the real life, we have a lots of tools available because we have a multiple environment over there. We can patch it, the gold image patch and other things. Those all are the things is possible. We can patch the multiple Oracle home with the one way on the one versions. Those way. So it depends on business need. We can able to use.
Okay.
I hope you understood the concept.
Yeah.
Any doubt, any question, then please let me know.
So so in case of this, we download it in the. You go to the Oracle. We
Yes,
just go to the Oracle support website and download these patches or what?
yes. I just gone for the Oracle support, and then from there I downloaded it.
Okay. And if I don't know, there is if you have to download okay on an Oracle website.
See,
There is
for patch download another thing, you must have to go with the that one, and then you can download.
okay.
Because otherwise somebody else has downloaded on the behalf of you, and then you can able to do it. Because whenever you will go with the Oracle
But there is
site,
some. Yeah.
whenever you will go with the Oracle site, they will definitely show you the same word. Like I am going to
Okay.
this patch. So if you can go for the patch, you can able to download from the supportoracle.com. Got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Like here you can see.
Yeah. Understood, yeah.
You can go to the Oracle, or then you can Again, install it, patch
And
it.
there is something they call checksum of, by verifying if you download a
Yeah,
package from a
that
website.
yeah, the checksum is basically used for the checking the size of the file. Like when you are downloading, could be the file is corrupted or something, so checksum will not match. That's why checksum, it doesn't have any relation with the database. It's a basically what is the size of your download that you are checking.
So how do they use the checksum? You when you download a file, you compare it with something, or
Yeah,
how do you?
on the file it is just a OS level. What is the size is after download is showing, and what is in the Oracle document is showing, both are matching or not. That's all.
Okay, so you look what are the size when you after you download it, you compare it with the
90
size of that
90
Oracle has given.
99%, if your internet speed is good and internet is working fine, there is no need to check some. And at least, believe me or not, whenever once I found a zip file download, never it is corrupted. Yeah, once in a year or once maybe in the 4 year, it can be okay. Once I extract, once I'm going to patch, it will clearly show, okay, this file is missing. Then I will look into that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I am not going to directly.
Okay. Then what do we mean by single one of patch?
Like the if any internal bug or something you are reporting to the Oracle, so Oracle will give you the patch number, and that patch you are applying. That's a single patch.
So we're gonna download it as we did like this, and
Yeah,
we do
same
an
same way,
upload.
same way. The way of working will be the same.
Okay, so but we go. But the time we are doing apply, are we going to do apply just to point?
Yeah,
We put that patch number, or
yeah,
we are
yes.
just going to do.
Just download into a particular directory, unzip it from there, call the OPatch inventory, and download from there.
Then when
Basically,
we are doing the apply, it will just recognize that particular patch alone,
yes,
or are we
yes.
going to?
No,
Okay.
so whenever the new patch is given to you,
Yeah.
definitely the patch is going to match with the previous one. Because whenever the Oracle is giving you the patch for any bug,
Yeah.
before the providing you the patch, they are checking everything. They are asking you lots of questions.
Yeah.
They have their logs, they have their data. Based on that, they know which are the patch set has applied, and based
Yeah.
on that, they are checking the new patch.
Yeah. Okay. So the one they are giving you, it will just when you are running the apply, it will just
Yeah.
do only that one alone.
Yes, and apart from that, always I advise to you that always patch the test environment before patching to the production
Yeah.
or test dev or QA environment, and then you can plan for the production.
Yeah. No,
So
normally in a
yeah,
product,
we do in our environment, we call the GMB, which is called global maintenance break, and pre-GMB. So in our environment, basically 14 days prior to the GMB, we called as a small patch, which is called the pre-GMB. So in the dev or test environment, we are patching. And then these 14 days, why we are keeping? If any issue will be reported by the application team after the patch. Sometime what happened after the patch, maybe the application is not functioning very well, or application side some issues and other thing. That case we can use it like this.
okay. Yeah, normally I think like in our environment, everything that is reported, because all the servers are the same. After
Mm,
a time, there is like something like the backup from a production server is being used completely for the test. So when there is that type of a situation, the
mm,
test will first of all be satisfied.
yes.
The test, everything will be okay at the test before product, and then the production guys now will look into detail, because the production guys, after that, they will follow up detailing whether everything tests have done is satisfactory on their site. Before should be already 100%, and the security team also 100% on their site before it will be implemented in production.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's about the patching. I hope you have understood the concept.
Yeah, I've understood the concept. Yes.
Thank you.